Hi, my name is Jonah Wilson. I'm the co-founder and consultant for National Overage Finance Alliance. Now, I have reviewed the redemption situation in Florida just to run over a few things with you. First and foremost, just remember once the foreclosure takes place, the new owner gets the certificate of title and you by default become a tenant. Now, when you become a tenant, they have to evict you. Now, usually what happens, they might offer you what's called cash for keys. You get a couple thousand to move on, and that might help you. All right, but the redemption period, let's talk about that. After the 10 business days, well, you don't have a chance to contest the sale. But within those 10 business days, you can contest the sale. This is not a redemption, but it is a form of redemption. Now, after those 10 business days, the state will give the new owner a certificate of title, and just like I started, you will become a tenant and it becomes an eviction and it's no longer a foreclosure. You understand the laws. Tenancy laws require an eviction. As an owner, you were foreclosed. Now, I'm not a credit expert, so I don't know if a foreclosure and an eviction is going to show up on your record, but if it does, that's going to be very hard on you to try to find another place to live. Now, there are some minor, and there are 5, and I'm not going to cover all of them, but they're all under section 1.540, and this covers clerical errors, new evidence in your trial, or even fraud. Now, what this does, it vacates the judgment. It's not a redemption, it just vacates the judgment. And you only have a year to do that. So when we're talking about redemptions, we can bend it to 10 business days or we can try to bend it to a year, but it has to be under specific circumstances. Now, there is only one more. If they find fraud, that 1 year timeline is not in effect. Now, there will be some relief offered if fraud is there, but that relief is not your home in writing. We have not found a case where someone received their home. Relief can be a monetary value. It could be the true market value of your property. We haven't found the case on it, but we do know, as far as redemption periods go, you have the original 10 business days following the sale, and then you have the specific 5 of them governed under section 1.540, which is clerical errors, no different than a police officer not reading your Miranda rights on the case and your case is thrown out. It's that situation. All right, so if there are some clerical errors in there, they can vacate the judgment. It might start it over. I have not researched the case studies on this. However, I do know